Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add VFX in KineMaster. Adding visual effects in KineMaster can enhance your video creatively. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, open up KineMaster and start up a new project. Now, tap on the media option at the top right corner and then select a media clip that you want to edit. You can select a media from your device's camera roll or choose one of the sources provided by KineMaster. After importing your media, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the layer icon on the right corner. Now tap on media again and then choose the media to import images or video that will serve as your VFX element. You can also tap on the home icon at the top right and from the asset store, select Effects or FX on the left-hand side menu. Now, from the effects, go ahead and select one of the effects you'd like to apply to your video. Now click on Download and make sure you download the selected effects. Now you can get back to the layer option, tap on FX or effect and choose the effect that you just downloaded from the asset store. Tap on the effects from the options and you will be able to add it to your timeline. Go ahead and drag the edges of your FX and make sure it aligns with your video clip. You can also resize the VFX layer as needed by tapping on the layer and then dragging its edges on your preview screen. After you are done, you can also further edit your VFX by choosing the tools available on the right corner. Use tools like opacity to adjust transparency, blend mode for blending with the background, and positioning and animating. After you are done with it, tap on the play button in order to play your video, and that way you will be able to add VFX layer to a video clip. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.